What's up guys, and welcome back to another Ds18 unboxing video. I'm Mr. Ds18 and today it's mid-heaven. That's right, we got the loudest mid-bass out there, the Pro XLNEO12MB, 1000 watts RMS, 2000 watts max power. This beast is a beast. Open it up, see what we got, then we're gonna play and see how loud this thing could go. We got Ds18 sticker, Ds18 manual, which you're going to read today. Then we got this Neo monster. Put this down. And check it out. This is a beast. It's heavy. 4-inch voice coil. Let's read some specs out. So, this is a 12-inch, 8 ohms, 1000 watts RMS, 2000 watts max power, 98 dBs, 45 hertz to 7 kilohertz. It has a 4-inch voice coil, glass fiber, cone, paper surround, Neo motor. Check it out. Neo motor. Push connectors for easy installation. It has a massive, check that out, beautiful, beautiful steel basket, nice suspension. Now, time for the real thing. Let's test it out. Let's put negative, positive. How you like that? That thing is crazy loud. It has a small amp. So can you imagine if this gets the real power? Stay tuned you guys for more Ds18 videos. I'm Mr. Ds18 and we like it loud.